Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
A long pending charter of demands. Settle. Pending charter of demands. Settle. A long pending charter of demands. Now, Goa State Cooperative Bank is making a profit for the last several years. In fact, from 2018, the bank is making profit. The bank is also likely to recruit large number of new employees because many employees have retired. But as far as existing employees and officers are concerned, from 2001 and 2014, there has been no wage revision for them. Our last wage revision settlement expired in December 2013. We submitted a charter demands in 2014. Initially, the bank was saying they are running in a loss because 2014 they were in a loss. 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, when the bank started making profit, we said you are making profit to settle our demands. But they have been giving one excuse on another, delaying, time passing, and it is going on when we have reached now 2022.
जे आमी सगळे एकटेन येयले आसा तेणें आमचो डिमांड करचो पास इतले मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन मागता आमी आनी आमकां होप आसा की मॅनेजमेंट आमची मेजॉरिटी पळोवन तो डिमांड चार्ट जो आमचो घातलेलो तो पूर्ण करता म्हणून
आमकां जाय मातसो डिमांड सेटल केल्लो आनी मॅनेजमेंटान मिटींग घेवन आमचे कडेन उलोवन हें करून सेटल करचें.
आज संवसार चलोवपा खातीर खुबशे मेहनत आमकां करची पडटा. आज सगळी म्हारगाय इतली वाडल्या आमच्या ह्या पगारान कांयच जायना.
आज आमी युनियन आणि जे ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन आसा आमच्यो मुख्य मागण्यो म्हणजे जो आमचो पेंडींग आसा डिमांड फ्रॉम 1 जानेवारी 2014 आमच्यो मुख्य मागण्यो म्हणजे थंयच्यान आसा कारण थंयच्यान तेंच्यांनी आमकां दिवचो अशें आमी तेंच्या कडेन मागता.